Siemens Transform is back in Manchester on the 17th and 18th of July. Now, I was there the last time for the last event in 2022, and I got to meet lots of different folks, see a lot of the different technologies and solutions. And it really is a unique technology event where you get to see the breadth of Siemens technologies and solutions right across digital industries, smart infrastructure, and mobility. And they're going bigger this year. There's going to be over 50 different speakers through the conference program and different sessions. There'll be over 100 technology and solution demos and about 500 experts on site where you can go chat and find out all the latest and greatest. The experts from Siemens and from many of their partners. And while the event is primarily aimed at Siemens UK and Ireland customers and partners, people come from all over Europe and much further afield to see what is the latest and greatest when it comes to how can Siemens help accelerate your digital transformation, sustainability transformation. And given all that's been going on in the past couple of months, everything around Siemens Accelerator, industrial AI, co-pilots, electrification, mobility, e-mobility, charging solutions, modernization of the grid, automation, simulation, industrial metaverse, latest and greatest around train, transportation, hydrogen, and. It's going to be a pretty busy couple of days. So if you want to find out what is the latest and greatest when it comes to technology to transform the everyday for everyone, then Manchester Central, which is a unique location in itself, is the place to be on the 17th and 18th of July. See you in Manchester.